What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, if I have said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. Cars will bite you in the ass every single time. And right now, how do I say this? My ass is pretty sore, so let's get into it. All right, yeah, you remember my last video, if you caught it, I said, wow, it's getting really warm out. Yeah, shouldn't have spoke up. All right, so here's the situation. Project Two-Tone is not playing well with others. I don't get it. I don't know. It sounds like it's trying to do something. And my brand new speaker grill. Yeah. All right. So far, tested, and we've got spark at the coil, but I don't know if we're getting it to the dizzy. So let's see. I guess I'll probably pull number 1 off. That'd be easiest. Or number 5, excuse me. Let's see. So yeah, I guess we'll just test spark at that and go from there. That wasn't me. All right, give her hell. I'm not saying nothing. All right, guys. So I pretty much just decided, screw it. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the distributor out. I have a unit and start from there. A lot easier than trying to swap that TFI module. So let me yank this out, get this other one stabbed back in, see if that's it. Obviously it's got to be it. All right, boys, she's in. See what we got. I'm telling y'all, we have had no luck with distributors, whether new or old, lately. All right, everything plugged back up. Let's see what we got. Nothing. All right, guys, I tried to get it fire off on some brake clean and it's not working, but you go back here, I'm sure the camera won't pick it up, but you can hear it sloshing around in there. Yeah, it's got at least enough in the tank to fire up. All right, a little more time on the battery. Let's see. No. Hold up, let me see something. Send it over. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I don't. They wouldn't get into the plug though, huh? Now. You sure about that? We'll pull number 5 off. I checked it and Alex double checked it. I
know it's coming from the coal.
Try it again. All right.
It's got spark, but it's of course the battery's about dead.
Yeah. And it's not firing off brake clean.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to,
who knows?
Yeah, we're going to have to get the battery off and
yep.
charge it, all that good stuff.
Alright, so we haven't confirmed completely. But I think we got some really bad.
You look disappointed.
Sad.
Heartbroken.
I am.
Gotta play some builder music.
All right, well, yeah, something. I'm gonna have to play some sad music or something because it can't be. It just can't be.
Here we go.
Yeah, they're all the same.
We can't even build 50 pounds of pressure.
We need to move on to another one. That's the third one we checked. It was probably the most one. The other was about 40.
So we drove
Overnight.
it twice.
Yeah, overnight, yeah.
And it was perfect. Parked it, and you went to move it the next day, and it wouldn't start.
Yeah.
And that's where we've started the diagnostic. And it sounded weird. I thought maybe the starter was just sounding a little weird. And then I saw you get the compression tester, and that's when my heart started to sink. So
It's got
far,
a warranty, hell.
yeah, but that doesn't mean we want to pull it out again.
Yeah.
All these.
You're good at it.
Yeah.
You're good at it, man.
Yeah. How about you? So we've checked 2 on this side so far.
Yeah, they didn't have VD.
And they barely built 50, so we're about to pop the second one on the driver.
Hit it.
You're all about it now.
Well, it actually made 50 PSI though.
Yeah, that's probably the most one.
And we should be making anywhere from 150 to 170 roughly,
Probably one VD, yeah.
just depending. Nah, maybe 165. Anyway, not 50.
Yeah, not VD, yeah.
That cylinder has compression.
That cylinder doing good.
So the
I
first,
mean, it ain't great, but it's compared to the others.
yeah, the first 2 cylinders on this side and that side have no compression. We're gonna check this last one on. I guess we can probably
Yeah, we're gonna check the other 2.
Yeah, just see. But either way, I mean, at this point, it doesn't really matter anymore. But all right. Can you like hold my hand or something?
Right.
Let's
go.
Just number 3 was decent.
All right. So which one is it? 7
This
or
is
8?
7.
All right. So 7. That cylinder's got some on it.
yeah.
What'd that end up at?
About 100.
Not 100. So still not
Not enough.
not enough.
Lot better than the other one.
All right. So let's see what the last cylinder wants to give. Number 8 for all the marbles.
All right.
Hit it.
About 100. That's about 75.
Oh, 75.
Yeah, 75. Yeah. Take it apart, Caleb.
So it's
Get your tools.
yep. Where's the get the cherry picker out? All right. So the game plan is we pull it all back out, and I don't know. We're probably gonna pull the valve covers and see where our compression is going. But brand new engine is toast, which, you know, it is what it is. So stay tuned. We'll figure something out.